Nature Villa walkthrough. Discovery Coron. Foot wash. Drying rack. Big lounge chair. Place to put your coffee. Nice little chair with an outlet right there. Lounge bed. That is actually a little stool tucked in there. One queen bed, two queen beds. Lots of storage, extra bedding. There's a mini fridge with a freezer section, coffee pot, hot water kettle, water, cups for coffee, some plates, some glasses, and even a little pastry. Big TV. This bag is for use when you arrive. You can't keep it, but you can use it the entire time that you're here. Here's the CR or the restroom. Big soaking tub with a window, and that shade does come down. Here's the shower. Towels under here, hair dryer. There are some amenities in the little box. Hamper. And that's it. Beautiful room.